Okay, I'm outside recording the rainstorm. Did you see that? I don't know what that was, but watch, it'll show it again. Just watch. If that's not God, it's Jesus. I don't know how else to explain it. Very weird sighting indeed. It shows it again. He's just walking across the sky. He's got a cane in his hand of some sort. Watch, he appears on the other side. Just hold on. What in the heck is that? You tell me what you think it is in the comments below, because I have no idea. Something holier than thou, that's for sure.